This is a WRICO number 6 size lettering pen. The pen was patented in 1926. WRICO is short for the Wood-Reagan Instrument Company. It was sold in a wooden tube with a green paper cover. And this is the predecessor of the rapidograph pen or the microns, these other technical pens. This happens to be a size 6, which you can see right there. You could also get, as far as I know, a number 3 size tip and a number 7 size tip are the only other ones I've seen. This happens to be a 6. And you'll see that there's a plunger that when I pull it back, it pulls a needle out of that tip. So watch when I push it back. See a little needle come out. Now this was invented in the 1920s to make a really consistent line for lettering in technical drawings and draftings. So, and here's how you use it. We're going to push the plunger in. We are going to use an eyedropper to fill. I'm just going to put 1 drop of ink in that reservoir there. And when I'm ready to write, I pull the plunger out and I'm ready to go. And there it is. It makes a beautiful, consistent line. It's exactly the same size every time. It never clogs. It doesn't make, smears or big drops of ink the way a dip pen can. And so when you're doing lettering on a technical drawing, it's fantastic for making consistent lines, consistent weight lines. And because you could get several sizes, you can make thinner lines or thicker lines. It's a lovely pen to write with. It has a little bit of scratch on the page, but it moves relatively smoothly, and 1 drop of ink will get you a long, long way. When you're done using it, you want to unscrew the tip and rinse that thoroughly and rinse this thoroughly. And then once that's done, you push the plunger in and you store it with the plunger in. And that way, if there's any residual ink, when you go to write again, you can pull the plunger back out and that'll clear the tip. So again, this is a WRICO number 6 lettering pen. This one's from about 1930. And I have seen several on eBay. I recommend it highly. It's a wonderful, wonderful tool and a nice connection to our progenitors in the drawing trades.